Let's make one macaroni. Ready?
No. I don't need you in the water, just so you know.
Right.
Yeah, we did it. Lady Natalie, we'll see you soon. Oh my God. Off we go. Thank you.
They call concierge service.
Oh,
Water
look
taxi.
at that. I wish I could wear that and stuff like that. Aw.
All right, that's good, sir.
Oh, we'll see her back soon again.
Wait, fishing?
Look at this. This is beautiful. Best place to be.
Might want to hold on.
I'm holding on. How fast are you gonna go? Oh, that's fast. I see. Holding on.
Let's take 1 hour to reach from. And back? No,
How long?
1 hour.
To go where?
Crafts.
To go across.
North south. Or
Oh,
1 hour from here to Henry Tower. Especially in hot water. Maybe half an hour.
Well, it's a good trip here because you got the reef up top. You got back waves, right? Better trip.
Yeah.
so
That's a better trip than that way.
Down English Harbor?
Yeah.
Is it? But it's nothing on the bottom there.
No, right out there. Like when they reach by the bottom,
Even inside the reef.
they even rough one.
Oh, okay.
and what about Saint Martin? How long
I don't know.
with this? If you would have had to come and get us,
Well, it's flat water.
You heard all about that. didn't you?
I would say 4 hours.
well, you're a little bit late, man.
4
Yeah, but
hours.
you don't want to be fucking with any waves. This thing.
I said on flat water.
That was 2 to 3 knots in wind.
Mm,
First couple
we'll be
days,
back
I was
soon
going
again.
Yeah, it's coming back to the real flat water.